In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform a site migration using WP Engine. This process is crucial if you're looking to move your WordPress site from one environment to another, ensuring nothing gets lost in the shuffle. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your WP Engine dashboard. It's the starting point where you'll be handling most of the migration tasks. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sites section. From here, you'll see an option to add site. Go ahead and select that, and then choose Migrate Site. This will initiate the migration process on the WP Engine platform. Now, over on your existing WordPress site, you'll need to install a handy tool called the WP Engine Automated Migration plugin. This plugin simplifies much of the heavy lifting involved in the migration process. Once installed, you need to open the plugin and input your WP Engine SFTP credentials along with your site details. These credentials are crucial as they establish a secure connection between your existing site and WP Engine, allowing the data to transfer smoothly. Once everything is set up, it's time to start the migration process. This is where the magic happens. The plugin will begin transferring your files, database, and all content from your original site to WP Engine. This is an automated process, so you can sit back while it does the work. Depending on the size of your site, this might take a little while, but don't worry, patience is key. After the migration is complete, you'll want to log back into your WP Engine account and check on the staging site. In this staging environment, you can review everything to ensure it looks just like your live site. It's essential to thoroughly test the site at this stage. Navigate through the pages and posts, check all your media, and ensure that it's displaying correctly. You should also explore the functionality of your plugins and themes, confirming they're working just as intended. And don't forget to test any forms, booking systems, or payment gateways that are crucial to your site's operation. Once you're confident everything is working perfectly on the staging site, it's time for the final step, pushing the site from staging to live. This step moves your site to the live environment so that visitors access the fully functional site on WP Engine. If everything works as planned, congrats, your site migration is complete. And there you have it. You've successfully migrated your WordPress site to WP Engine. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth and efficient transfer, minimizing downtime and ensuring a pleasant experience for your site visitors. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you in all your future migrations.